Hello guys, welcome back. Good morning. Welcome back to another episode here on our channel. Saturday here in Samoa. As you can see, the weather is not looking very good. Sort of switched up yesterday, and it just was all windy and rainy and stuff, and that's why it's it's a bit gloomy today. But it's also, there's a lot of wind. It's been blowing since last night and yesterday as well. So yeah, it's quite dangerous at the moment today. If you guys can see on that, we've got a lot of Tiapula to plant. I think there's about 3,000 left there, and I'm gonna try and plant, if I can plant 500 of that today and Monday. So Monday is the Independence holiday, so I'm trying to get most of it. I want to try, and if I can get down at least 500 or 500 max before the boys come, because it's a bit too long to keep the Tiapula waiting before planting, because it's going to be today Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then Tuesday they'll be here to plant. And I think that's a bit too far, and if I can try and get some of the Tiapula planted, especially the Taro variety, I really want to put that down. And given that it's raining at the moment, it'll be a perfect time. So if I can do at least 500, and I will leave the rest for the boys next week to plant. So that's our goal today. We'll see how much we can do, but if we can go above 200, I'll be happy. Then we can do 300 next week Monday. So if you enjoyed today's content, I'll try my best to record, guys. It is going to be raining, so I don't think I can take my phone out, but I'll try and keep you guys up to date as I go along. So yeah, hope you guys do enjoy today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, and I'll see you soon. Feel what you're doing, Shavit, eh? Alright, so each bundle is about 50 Tiapula. So I calculated, just 4. I'll try and bang it out today, given that it's not sunny and it's, the rain's here. So I think I can confidently say past 100, 200. Not sure, but we can push ourselves to make it. But yeah, if you guys see here, so this bundle is for my cousin who has a plantation just down the road from me. He's planting today as well, so which is why we put him aside. We set aside another 1,000 that's already been picked up by one of our other farmers, And then the rest, you guys can see, that's the rest of the Tiapula there. It needs to be planted. So if I can do another maybe 300 next week, and that'll leave the rest for the boys. This is the Taro variety and the Samoa Lua variety. Yeah, got a lot to do, guys. So we're going to get to the plantation. One thing I'm worried about is just in case there are any fallen trees, because it's been windy. But we've got the X. We got the X inside the car because we don't have any petrol for we don't have any fuel for the chainsaw, so we'll go manual today. Hopefully there's no fallen trees. Alright, so you see the dogs are running there that side. I don't want to take the dogs because it's raining and they might not find shelter. The only way to get them to come back home is I go through the long way. So I'm going to go through the long way so that they can come back home, as opposed to going to the plantation. I fear for their safety, and plus it's windy and raining. I don't want trees to fall on them while I can't see them, and also I don't want you know, them to get wet in the rain and then just sit there. But yeah, we're gonna head to the plantation now. Alright, so far coming along here, we've already seen a few fallen trees. There's one there, and one just on the road before I came through this back road. So as you guys can see, I came through the long road. I'm just so that the dogs don't come, because I don't want them to come in this kind of weather. But yeah, I'm just thinking, because the road might be slippery as well today, especially down at the bottom, and it's just me coming in the event you know, the car does get bogged. So I think I might have to reverse all the way down, and that way it'll be easier to exit out, because the car is already facing the front. So yeah. Alright guys, so instead of turning in the way we usually do, I'm just gonna reverse all the way down. Alright guys, so we're just about to head down on that incline, the decline, so I'm just gonna take it easy. Yeah, I'm gonna need both hands for this. Alright guys, so we're finally here. I actually didn't know there was a fallen branch until I almost ran over it, but it's a good thing it's mostly all on the side of the road, not on the top. So remember guys, we were planting on that side, where those trees are. That's been finished planted, just need to cut down most of the trees there. But now we're coming to plant this bit that'll connect us back to the cattle farm. So as you guys can see, it's already been cleaned up and sprayed down with the herbicide, and now that'll be the plot for the Tiapula load at home. But yeah, we'll see how we go, because it's raining, but I'll try and get some footage, guys. Alright fam, as I mentioned, it is quite difficult trying to record in the rain, but we'll still try out. Just finished our first 50, so I took off the olies first, then I began planting, and that first 50 is coming from that side. So this side,
and then just over that log coming back in. So yeah, this next 50 I'm probably gonna pull it towards that side. Just had a bit of a call from work, might have to leave early due to a work emergency, but that's fine. I think if we can do another 50 and maybe another 50, then we'll leave the last 50 for the evening, because I do want to come back. It's really nice. It's a lot easier doing this in the rain than in the sun. So yeah, gonna hit this 50, and if I can, I'll probably bang out that 50, and then I'll head to work. Woo. All right, guys. So just finished the other 50. You guys see there, 100 left. We got here around probably a little after 9. It's 10:15 now, so let's say 1 hour for 100. So we've already planted the Tiapula all the way there in this portion here, and that's 100 already in the ground. So work rate's about 100 an hour. That's not too bad, but because I have to head back to town, I need to go to work for some work emergencies. I have to head back now, but given that we did a pretty good, made it halfway of what we wanted to do today, I'm fine with that. So made it all the way up to here, and then this bit here going down that way, and just made a straight line. So I've just got a little bit more left to go, the other 100, which will be if I can't do it to evening, in the afternoon. Hopefully I get back early, but if I can't do it, then I'll do it evening, and then yeah, we'll come back on Monday, and probably we can get away with 300 and then cover this entire bit here. So yeah, really good. I'm really proud we were able to do that today, given the weather conditions. Also got some woolly there from the Tiapula. So yeah, guys, this won't be the end of today's episode. We'll be back in the evening, so yeah, guys, fingers crossed we can get all the Tiapula down today, the 200 that we set aside. But yeah, it's time to head home, shower, and head to town. I think you guys will come with me. All right, guys, I think we made the right choice to leave early, because I heard some branches crackling, which means you know, I don't want any trees falling on the road in case we might get stuck. Yeah. All right, got the daughter here with me. Just gonna head to the office now. The wife there just getting some breadfruit. One of her friends I'm gonna drop off when we head down. Also got the Tiapula there on the side. Alright, guys, so just arrived in town. It's pouring here, but hardly any wind, as opposed to where I was planting taro. It's pouring and wind is blowing strong. So yeah, just on our way to the office now, and get this out of the way, get this report out of the way, then we'll head back to Kauai. Ari po, ngay ka fongas ko nga. Oh, yung sky ni siya. Iyoy. Ngay yo. Ako. Guys, it took a lot longer than I expected, so now we're about to head back to Kauai. Feeling super tired, man, honestly, but yeah, hopefully I still have the energy to
continue our planting. So one thing I'm thinking of is probably hit Gua, have a bit of rest, and then we resume in the evening. So we just got a little snack here with my daughter. These are like kebabs. These are about $2 each here in Samoa. Sometimes chicken, sometimes lamb. Just got like a whole bunch there. Yeah. Gonna chow down. That's good. Beautiful. Si va voler bon isa Alright guys, so just got home. We'll see, it's 3 o'clock on the dot at the moment, so I don't know. I might get a rest, probably an hour rest, and then we'll head back to plant some more taro. If not, we might just call it a day and hit it up Monday morning, full day. But yeah, it all depends. We'll see how we go, guys. Energy levels are that. Wow, what mong siya kiyong niya?
Wala, beli ko
Iya, coba dulu. Alright, welcome back guys. It's a little after 5 now. Woke up at around 4:15 and just been eyeing the weather. Just a little worried because started hearing thunderstorms. It's quite dangerous, being that I'll be planting in an open field with a metal rod, so it's always might attract lightning.
Rain! You better stop that!
And yeah, I might get zapped on the field, so I'm just worried. Safety, just considering my safety at the moment. I really wanted to do 200 today, but times, sometimes things don't go the way we plan, and yeah, looks like we're gonna have to do 400 on Monday, which I'll be very much looking forward to try and do. But yeah, at the moment just enjoying a German bun and Loki or tea with milk. So yeah guys, it's really unfortunate we couldn't finish. I really wanted to get the other 100 out of the way today so we can have less next week, but it'll mean that we'll have to put in more effort next week to finish to reach our 500 goal, Tiapula. But yeah, it's all right. Things happen. I do apologize, guys. Yeah, as I said, sometimes things don't go the way we plan, but it's just means we're gonna have to work a bit harder next time. But yeah, we'll enjoy this. I want to talk to you guys about this now. This is called German bun. I'm not sure if it's German bun or jam and bun. But the funny thing is, There's no jam inside. It's actually coconut shavings or pingu with a bit of siampopo. Well, that could be the jam. But let's have a look. See what I mean? Why is it called jam and bun? Oh, that hit the spot, man. But yeah, so this is basically just like flour, coconut shavings in siampopo. I think it's siampopo. I'm not sure if it's siampopo or caramel. No, siampopo. And yeah, see? Yet it's called German bun. German bun. I don't know what it's called. It's one of those two. This with tea is so good. So yeah, guys, because the weather's still not letting up. You know, which means that we are preparing. We will be preparing our Sunday till night tomorrow episode, but given the rain, it's gonna probably make things just a little bit hotter. But we'll have to switch up the menu for the rain once we get to tomorrow. But yeah, all in all, I think we did pretty good today. Wanted to do more, but maybe another. I just said we'll just have to work harder on Monday. But if you guys enjoyed today's episode, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Share our channel. We'll definitely catch you on our next episode, which will be our Sunday cooking episode, which will be tomorrow. And yeah, we'll definitely catch you guys on that episode. But until then, guys, God bless. Take care. Stay safe. We'll see you guys soon. I'm going to finish my German bun and tea, and then I'll get to some other chores that's left for the evening. So we'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. See you guys.